Coders, today we are going to start a series on Python. So if you are an absolute beginner or you are having some experience in coding, you can refer this tutorial. So let's get started. So let me introduce you to Python. Python is one of the most popular languages nowadays because of its simplicity, easy to use. There are many companies using Python. Google uses Python as one of its official language. Netflix recommendation engine is built on Python. Even Facebook, Instagram, Quora, many more uses Python. So what all you can build use learning Python. You can build applications, softwares, games. Even to learn data science, machine learning, or deep learning, you need Python or R as prerequisite. Therefore, by learning only one language can open a lot of doors of opportunity. Whenever you will try to learn Python, then you will find these keywords. Python uses interpreter or it's an interpreted language. It is a high level language. Python uses dynamic typing. So, today we will get basic understanding of what these keywords mean actually. High level language is the language which is understood by human. Similarly, low level language is understood by machine. It will be very complicated for us to write a program in low level language. To avoid such complications, a programmer write program in high level language and then it is converted or translated into low level language which can be executed by machine. Any program in Python needs to be translated into low level language and it is done by interpreter. So to understand interpreter, we should focus here. So interpreter first checks the syntax and other things. Then it is converted into bytecode, which is nothing but an intermediate form which is platform independent. Then it is converted into low level code which machine can execute. Let's understand dynamic typing in Python. So here we can see x is equals to 100. X is a variable here which can hold any value, like here it is holding 100. First we will understand what is variable. A variable is a memory location which holds the value. So x is a variable here and the value which it is holding is 100, which is getting allocated to x. So basically you can consider a variable as a container which can hold values. Let's compare Python and other languages like C or C++ which does not follow dynamic typing. In Python, you don't need to declare a variable before using it. You can directly assign values to it. These variables can take any value, like here we can see that even after assigning an integer value, I can reassign x as a string or a boolean. But in other languages like C or C++, you have to first declare the type of data you are going to store in that variable, and then if you will try to change the type, you will receive errors. That was it guys. I hope you have learned something from this video, and if you have, like and share our video and also comment your views in the comment section. Till then, take care. Bye bye.